Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a vertical text on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert vertical text on your WPS spreadsheet on the computer or PC, just going to show. So for an example, I just have the cell here, a cell like this, is like this. Here I just want to have a vertical, okay, and text. Here I just going to type as text. It's actually for example. So I just need to change this direction vertically. So click on the cell first, then you will see this option, orientation option on here. Click on this drop menu, and here you will see the vertical text option. So there will be two options. So vertical text or rotate text up, rotate text down. Click on this vertical text, it look like this. But if you just need to really have the vertical text, click on this rotate text like this. So this will change the text to look upward, which actually vertical. And if you just need to align this, click on select this and click on the alignment option, and also you can just increase the text so it's perfectly fixed to the cell. This is how you just create a vertical text on or insert a vertical text on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.